Hi friends, welcome to DM classes.
In last session,
We have learned equations.
reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Today we will start with word problem of linear equation in two variables. To solve the problems related to the application of linear equations in two variables, the following steps are involved. Step first, fix two variables for two unknown quantities which are to be determined. Second step, form simultaneous equations from these two variables by using the conditions given in the problem. Step third, solve the simultaneous equations and find the unknown variables. Let us start practice set 1.5. Question number first. Two numbers differ by 3. Two numbers differ by 3. The sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Find the numbers. Solution. Let the greater number be x and the smaller number be y. According to the first condition, two numbers differ by 3 means x minus y equal to 3. It is denoted by first equation. According to the second condition, the sum of twice the smaller number and thrice the greater number is 19. Means 3x plus 2y equal to 19. It is denoted by second equation. Multiplying by first. Equation first by 2, we get 2 into equation first means x minus y equal to 3. 2 into x equal to 2x minus 2 into y equal to 2y equal to 2 3 are 6. It is denoted by third equation. Now solve the simultaneous equation adding equations second and third. We get 3x plus 2y equal to 19, and third equation 2x minus 2y equal to 6, plus 2y minus 2y cancel, plus 3x plus 2x equal to 5x equal to 19 plus 6 equal to 25, x equal to 25 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, therefore x equal to 5. Substituting x equal to 5 in equation, first we get x minus y equal to 3, therefore x equal to 5 means 5 minus y equal to 3 minus y equal to 3 minus 5 minus y equal to 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2. Minus minus cancel, therefore y equal to 2. Therefore the required numbers are 5 and 2.
Practice set 1.5. Question number 6. Question. Out of 1900 km, Vishal travelled some distance by bus and some by aeroplane. Bus travels with average speed 60 km per hour and the average speed of aeroplane is 700 km per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the journey. Find the distance Vishal travelled by bus.
Solution. Let the distance Vishal travelled by bus be x kilometer and by aeroplane be y kilometer. According to the first condition, out of 1900 km means x plus y equal to 1900. It is denoted by first equation. We know that time equal to distance upon speed. Therefore, time required to cover x kilometer by bus equal to x divided by 60 hours. Time required to cover y kilometer by aeroplane equal to y divided by 700 hours. According to the second condition, x divided by 60 plus y divided by 700 equal to 5. Therefore, by cross multiplication 700 into x plus 60 into y divided by 60 into 700 equal to 5 divided by 1, also cross multiplication 700x plus 60y equal to 5 into 60, 5 into 60 into 700 700x plus 60y equal to 6 5 ja 30, 37 ja 210. Dividing both sides by 10, 700x divided by 10 plus 60y divided by 10 equal to 21000 divided by 10, 0 cancel, 0 cancel and 0 cancel. 70x plus 6y equal to 21,000. It is denoted by second equation. Multiplying equation first by 6, we get 6 into x plus y equal to 1900. 6 into x equal to 6x plus 6 into y equal to 6y equal to 1900 into 6 equal to 11,400. It is denoted by third equation. Subtracting equation third from second, we get 70x plus 6y equal to 21,000 plus 6y equal to 21,000, and third equation 6x plus 6y equal to 11,400. Minus plus 6x plus 6y minus 6y cancel. 70x minus 6x equal to 64x equal to 21,000 minus 11,400 equal to 9,600. X equal to 9,600 divided by 64. X equal to 8 8 ja 64, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 0 0. 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, 0. Therefore, x equal to 150. Therefore, The Vishal travel by bus is 150 km.
Thank you. If you like the video, please press the bell icon.